Honda revealed the all-new 2023 Accord. It features an elegant and sophisticated design and an available advanced hybrid electric system that's more responsive for a sporty driving experience. Accord will be available in 6 trim levels, starting with the turbocharged LX and EX and topped by the hybrid-powered Sport, EXL, Sport L and Touring. With 247 pound-feet of torque from Honda's new 4th generation 2-motor hybrid system, the 2023 Accord hybrids are the most powerful ever. Tell me in the comments how do you like the new Honda Accord and subscribe for more.